Hello, today I'm going to show you how to delete messages on the Apple Watch. So, today in front of me is the Apple Watch SE first generation, and it doesn't matter what Apple Watch do you have, it's going to work on the all Apple Watches the same. So, you cannot delete specific messages in the conversation. You can delete only the whole conversation on the Apple Watch. So, if you want to delete the whole conversation, you need to go to the app menu to find the messages app by pressing the digital crown once. Now you're in the app menu and just click on the messages icon, which is this icon. Just click on it. And now if you want to delete the whole conversation, you just need to swipe from the right to the left like this and just click on the red bin icon, sorry. And now the watch is going to ask you, are you sure about this action? If you want to delete the whole conversation, you're just going to press delete. And now, as you can see, the whole conversation has deleted. And if you delete the conversation on the Apple Watch, it is not going to be deleted on the iPhone. As you can see, I still have this conversation on the iPhone, which is connected to this Apple Watch. So, thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!